All right, so here we are. Right now we're on the NAS 100 chart. Keep in mind, this strategy works across basically every single market. I've had success with it in crypto, stocks, options, futures, Forex. Like, I've used this strategy to trade basically every single thing that I could possibly trade, and it has worked very well for me. But in this instance, we're just on NAS 100, which is NQ, right? So we're on our Heikin-Ashi candlesticks. We're on the 1 minute time frame. We're above the EMA, which means we're only looking for buy opportunities. Now we're just looking for clean pullbacks and then our doji candlestick and an entry. So if we look here, we went up, then we sold down. We had at least two clean bearish candlesticks, basically candlesticks that have no wicks on the top. We had at least two of them. As you see, we have multiple in this pullback here. And then we got our doji candlestick. And as you can see, this doji candlestick is bigger than the candlestick before it. And it's not bigger than the candlestick before that one, but it's fine because it's bigger than the candlestick right before that candlestick. Now, we would enter right on this trade. Now, as I mentioned, TradingView is simply where we plan out our trades. And one of the options that it has here is a trade planner. So if we hit here, this drop down, you'll see long position and you see short position. Long position simply means that we're entering for a buy. Short position simply means that we're entering for a sell. So in this instance, we'd be entering for a buy. So I'd click long position, and then at the top of the doji, I would click because that's exactly where we would enter at. Now you'll see this box pop up, and simply what this box is this is playing out and showing us visually our stop loss, which is the red part, and our take profit, which is the green part. So what you'll do is you'll drag your stop loss, because remember, for buys, our stop loss is always right below the candlestick that we entered on. So we drag it right below the candlestick that we entered on. And then you'll notice here, risk/reward ratio. As I mentioned on the checklist, we're always going for a 1-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio. So all we're doing is we're going to drag our take profit down until that number says 1-to-1. Right here, risk-to-reward ratio, now it says 1. Meaning the amount of money that we risked, that's also the amount of money that we're going to make. So let's say if price hit our stop loss, we'd lose $100. If price hits our take profit, we'd actually make $100. Now there's ways later on, it gets a little bit more advanced where you can hold the trade a little bit longer to end up making more or double the amount that you risked or triple the amount that you risked. But to start off as a beginner, I would just stick to hitting 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio trades and getting in and out of these trades.